Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a quick review of Dorik AI. You see, Dorik AI is a no-code website builder. That's right, that leverages AI to simplify and accelerate the website creation process. In minutes, you can finish a website with Dorik. It's simple, intuitive, and can be easily learned by beginners. So, what are the pros? Like we said, ease of use, AI assistance for sure. Nice. AI assistance, speed and performance. We have affordability because it offers a free plan, making it a cost-effective option for individuals and small businesses. Now, it also has built-in CRM, that is content management system for easy updating and management of website content, especially for blogs and membership sites. Now let's look at the cons. For the cons, we have limited e-commerce capacity or capability. It is not ideal for building those full-fledged online stores with extensive product management and advanced e-commerce features. No, it's not. It's limited when it comes to that. Then it has customization limits also. And lastly, it's template dependent. Some users might find the variety of flexibility of the template somewhat limited for highly unique designs. So that's a quick review of Dorik.com or Dorik AI. So what are you waiting for? You can go to Dorik.com to see the full review of it, the pricing and everything.